Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mrs. Yusti, as lecturer in English courses, we are from Group 7 which has members namely Alfi Maulana, Lukman Sofari, Maulana Farid Muhammad, Muhammad Sigit Nugraha Darmawan, Novita Amanda, and Santika Dwi Kansa. We want to present the meaning of tenses and their types. So, let's talk about it. Definition of tenses. What is tenses? Tenses is a grammatical category that emphasizes the use of verbs that are related to the time of their use. So, tenses have a very close relationship with the time of an action or event. Basically, tenses can be divided into 4 types, namely present tense, past tense, future tense, and past future tense. Each of these tenses has more types of tenses as described next. Types of tenses. The first is present tense. Present tense is further divided into 4 different tenses consisting of simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. The second is past tense. Past tense is further divided into 4 different tenses consisting of simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. The third is future tense. Future tense is further divided into 4 different tenses consisting of simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. And the last is past future tense. Past future tense is further divided into 4 different tenses consisting of simple past future tense, past future continuous tense, past future perfect tense, and past future perfect continuous tense. Present tense. The first is simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express facts, habits, and events that are happening at the present moment. Tenses formula for the positive sentence is subject plus to be plus object. For the negative sentence is subject plus to be plus not plus object. For the interrogative sentence is to be plus subject plus object. Example in the positive sentence is they are happy. In the negative sentence is they are not happy. In the interrogative sentence is are they happy? Time signal of simple present tense is usually, always, abnormally, seldom, etc.
Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is to talk about ongoing action. The main part of this tense is the duration of time for the verb. Tense formula positive. Subject plus to be plus verb ing plus object. Tense formula negative. Subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. Tense formula interrogative. To be plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Contoh kalimat positif. We are playing football. Contoh kalimat negatif. We are not playing football. Contoh kalimat interrogatif. Are we playing football? Time signal of the tense now, at the time, at this present, at this moment. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to express activity or situation that started in the past and was complete at a certain point in time in the past or is still continuing today. Tense formula positive. subject plus have atau has plus verb 3 plus objek. Tense formula negatif, subject plus have atau has plus not plus verb 3 plus objek. Tense formula interrogatif, have atau has plus subjek plus verb 3 plus objek. Contoh kalimat positif, I have finished my homework. Contoh kalimat negatif, I have not finished my homework.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhammad. Today I'm going to explain about past tense. Past tense can be divided into 4 types. The first is simple past tense, the second is past continuous tense, the third is past perfect tense, and the last one is past perfect continuous tense. But this time I'm just going to explain the first 3 of them. First is simple past tense. Simple past tense is to show event that happened in the past. The formula for the sentence is divided into 3 types for the positive sentence, negative, and interrogative. For the positive sentence is subject plus to be, was, or were, subject, and for negative sentence is subject plus to be, was, or were, was not, subject, and the last is for the interrogative sentence is to be, was, or were, plus subject, subject. The example is for the formula. The example for the positive sentence is he was handsome. The negative sentence is he was not handsome, and for the interrogative sentence is was he handsome. And time signal of this tense is last year, last month, last week, and last Monday. The second type of past tense is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is the action was taking place at a certain time in the past. The tense formula divided same like before, divided into 3 types for the positive, negative, and interrogative. The formula for the positive sentence is subject plus to be, was, or were, plus verb ing plus subject. For the negative sentence is subject plus to be, was, or were, plus not, plus verb ing plus subject. And the last is for the interrogative sentence is to be, was, or were, plus subject plus verb ing plus object. And the example is, the first is for the positive sentence is I was reading novel when my cat hungry. For the negative sentence is I was not reading novel when my cat hungry. And the interrogative sentence is was I reading novel when my cat hungry?
Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is still an ongoing event that has been completed at a certain point in the time in the past. In the past perfect continuous tense, there is tense formula. In this tense formula of the past perfect continuous tense, divide into 3, such as positive tense formula, negative tense formula, and then interrogative tense formula. In the positive tense formula, there are subject plus had plus been plus verb ing and plus object. In the negative tense formula, there are subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing and plus object. In the interrogative tense formula, there are heads plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object and mark question. Example, the positive tense formula is we had been listening radio. Example, negative tense formula is we had to been listening radio. Example interrogative and formula is had we been listening radio. Tensional of distance of past perfect continuous tense there are after, before, when, since, by the time, as future tense. Part 1. Simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express that an action will occur in the future spontaneously or planned. Then tense formula of the simple future tense divide to 3. They are positive formula, negative tense formula, and then interrogative tense formula. Positive tense formula of the simple future tense, here are subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Negative tense formula of the simple future tense, there are subject plus will plus not plus verb 1 and plus object. In the interrogative tense formula of the simple future tense, there are will plus subject plus verb 1 plus objects and mark question. Example, positive tense formula: we will go back to school after pandemic. Negative tense formula: we will not go back to school after pandemic. And then example interrogative: will we go back to school after pandemic? Terms of distance are next, tomorrow, 5 days later, it's in part 2 of future tense is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is to express an action that will happening at a certain time in the future. In the future continuous tense, there is tense formula. In this tense formula of the future continuous tense, divide to 3: positive tense formula, negative tense formula, and then interrogative tense formula. Positive tense formula of the future continuous tense, there are subject plus will plus be plus verb ing and plus object. Negative tense formula: subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing and plus object. And then interrogative will tense formula of the future continuous tense, there are will plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object and their mark question. Example, positive tense formula: I will be studying English. Negative tense formula: I will not be studying English. Interrogative: will I be studying English? Time signal of distance are tomorrow morning in the teens years at.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfi Maulana. The future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is the activity will already complete at some point in the time the future. Tense formula: positive tenses, subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Negative tenses: subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object. interrogative sentences: will plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Example: positive tenses: I will have finished my project. Negative tenses: I will not have finished my project. Interrogative sentences: will I have finished my project? Time signal of this sentence: next, in a week. 4. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is the action will be have been going on for a long time at some point in time in future. Tense formula: positive sentences: subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb being plus object. Negative sentences: subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb being plus object. Interrogative sentences: will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb being plus object. Example: positive tenses: they will have been playing football. Negative tenses: they will not have been playing football. Interrogative tenses: will they have been playing football? Time signal of the tense: nice for by next year. Past future tense. 1. Simple past future tense. Simple past future tense is action to be performed, making prediction and making future promise will in the past. Tense formula: positive tenses: subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Negative tenses: subject plus will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative tenses: will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example: positive tenses: my sister told me that she would buy a new camera. Negative sentences: my sister told me that she would not buy a new camera. Interrogative tenses: would my sister told me that she buy a new camera? Time signal of the tense: yesterday, last week, last month.
Past future continuous tense. Past future continuous tense is a form of verb to express an imaginary action or situation that is ongoing if the unreal condition is fulfilled. Tenses formula: positifnya subject plus would atau should plus be plus verb ing plus object. Negatifnya subject plus would atau should plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object. Interrogatifnya would atau should plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object. Example kalimat positifnya: they should be discussing their problem now. Contoh dari kalimat negatifnya: they should not be discussing their problem now. Contoh dari kalimat interrogatifnya: should they be discussing their problem now? Time signal of this tense: tomorrow, next week, next month, etc. Past future perfect tense. Past future perfect tense is to talk about an action that did not happen in the past. Tenses formula: positif subject plus would atau should plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Negatifnya, subject plus would atau should plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogatifnya, would atau should plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Example dari kalimat positifnya, you would have done your assignment last night. Dari kalimat negatifnya, you would not have done your assignment last night. Contoh dari kalimat interrogatifnya, would you have done your assignment last night? Time signal of these tense, this morning, yesterday, last night, etc. Past future perfect continuous tense. Past future perfect continuous tense is similar to the future perfect continuous tense, but the relation of the action performed can be known because the action occurred in the past. Tenses formula: positive, subject plus would atau should plus have plus been plus verb in. Negatifnya, subject plus would atau should plus not plus have plus been plus verb in. Interrogatifnya, would atau should plus subject plus have plus been plus verb in. Example dari kalimat positifnya, I should have been leaving her for 5 years by last June. Contoh dari kalimat negatifnya, I should not have been leaving her for 5 years by last June. Contoh dari kalimat interrogatifnya, should I have been leaving her for 5 years by last June? Time signal of this tense, last month, last week, etc. That's all from our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.